Y'all, I cannot believe it's here already. I purchased from the Dreamglow collection by R.E.M. Beauty. I placed this order on Sunday late morning, Sunday afternoon, and I wasn't expecting this to come in until at least the end of the week. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Jada here, and we're gonna be unboxing this R.E.M. package that has other things besides the Dreamglow collection, just tidbits. I didn't actually buy any blush this time, but let's get into this because I do not have a lot of room on my camera, so let's just get into it. All right, we're gonna just get into this as quickly as possible. I tend to ramble, and I don't think people respond very well to long videos of me just doing a big old yap, so I'm just gonna probably open this to the best of my ability off camera because I get nervous when I have to do this and the camera is rolling. Okay, as I mentioned before, I didn't get any blush because I still have 3 blushes by R.E.M. and I'm having a hard time getting through all of them because the product lasts longer than I expected it to. So off the bat, we got another swatch of the Sweetener foundations. So cute, I get to keep one, give it to a friend or something, and the last one that I received, I'm going to be giving to my mom. Okay, so this is all that's in the box. Okay, so one of the products I am most excited about is the Dreamglow Honeypot Highlight Serum. So I made sure that my face is completely bare, no makeup whatsoever, because we're gonna test this bad boy out on my face and a little bit on my chest and neck, just to see what it looks like on the rest of outside of the face. I'm very, very excited. I didn't get a chance to try the Glinda Wicked Glow Drops, so this is a very exciting one. Ooh, I have a feeling that's gonna hit the complexion so good. I'm gonna find other ways to use this product. Ariana said you can use it to prep before your makeup or to de-prep. So if you're getting ready and you wanna have this as your serum, this is a good option to try. So let's just get into it. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on the sides and maybe on my nose. Okay, it feels good. It feels good. I don't know if it's because my light is too bright that you can't really see it, or maybe I just can't see it. Let's just put some over here. Ooh, I'm trying not to be messy about this. Oh, okay, there we go. Why do I always get so startled when I see the product working? Like, I don't get shocked, I get startled. Okay, this feels really good. I could see why I'd want to put this on my face after I've removed all my makeup, but we'll do a different video where we're using it as a base. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna put some on my neck and on my collarbone, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, I am feeling annoyed with myself because I'm always shocked at the quality. Oh, she was not lying. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna wipe the rest on my hands because there is quite a bit of glisten. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Do not mind my nails. Just a side note. I'm getting my nails done a couple days before my birthday, which is next week. Okay, the shine is shining. Okay, next on the itinerary of my package. Now, these are the new Glossy Balm shades. I did get one from the original drop, and I only got 2 from the Dreamglow drop just because I wasn't very drawn to the peach colored one. But I did get the Cotton Candy and the On Ice. I'm excited for the clear one just because the only clear R.E.M. lip gloss that I have is the plumper one, and I'm not always in the mood to be plumping my lips. So we're gonna start with the On Ice because it is clear, and the cotton candy one that I originally wasn't gonna buy because I wasn't attracted to the blue color, we're gonna put that on second because that one is pH responsive. So we're gonna see if we like it as much as we like the Wicked pH responsive oil lip gloss. I'm rambling because I'm excited. Here's the clear one. Pretty self-explanatory. Just gonna put some, just a little bit because we're gonna go into the next lip gloss and I don't want to be putting too much. But I don't see how you could have anything bad to say about the clear one. I mean, look at it. Who knew we needed a clear one? Okay. And now we're going to dive right into the cotton candy. I'm just showing you again because this technically has two colors on it. You got that blue and then it's fading into pink, that gradient. Sorry, my light might be too bright, but we're just gonna go right into it. Reveal time. Ooh. Okay. So when I saw this, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna want that, but if it's going to do that pink thingy, let's just go. First reaction. So, no exaggerations. It is quite literally blue. Once it starts turning pink, you're gonna, I believe you're gonna see it here. So, I hope using the on ice one isn't going to like change the effect of this. See, this is what I was worried about. Just that blue tint. So right off the bat, you can see it turning pink on the brush. Okay, we're gonna be patient. We're gonna give it some time. This is exactly why I didn't want to put too much of the on ice, because I have like this weird speculation that it's not gonna be as pink, even though I think I do see it turning quite a bit. Okay, let's let that sit. And then the other two items that I ended up getting is the cherry cola from the original drop of the Glossy Balm. And I did get suckered into getting the Everything Nice lip balm, because when I was reading it on the site, it was all like, Ariana says, if you get this lip balm, feel free to throw out all your other lip balms. And I was like, I have a lot of other lip balms, but they're also very cheap. So if this, oh, is this a twist? Not me pulling on it. I thought it was like magnet or something. So let's just get some looks of it so far. Okay. That's what it's looking like. Very pretty. I have a feeling that that's gonna glide on the lip quite nicely. I see a little bit of shimmer in there, so that's exciting. I will probably tease these in my YouTube shorts or my TikToks that I've been doing lately. So that's the lip balm. If you want to see me use it, I'll use it on the short platform of, like I said, YouTube shorts and TikTok. And I want to say same to the cherry cola, but I do want to show you, because I'm sure a lot of you are already familiar with all of the original drops for the Glossy Balm. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you what my first Glossy Balm looks like. You can find the video on my channel of me reacting to trying this one for the first time. This is the Shirley shade, and this is the cherry cola. So they're quite different in shades. But I saw a very beautiful girl use this and it looked so good on her, so I just want to see if it's gonna look as good on me. Very excited for these two. I might just do like a little combo-y thing. Look at, okay, this is already like a really nice color. It's giving like that vibe that I was saying originally. This already being called cherry cola is giving me Lana Del Rey vibes. It must be the Cancer women thing. I must say I love the Cancer women. What do we think? This is the cotton candy shade, I think as pink as it's gonna get. It's cute. It's cute. I don't know if it's because I'm just like really used to my Shirley shade, but I will be using it. There's no doubt about that. All right, so this is quite literally everything that was in my package. Thanks for being patient and watching this with me. And even though this wasn't technically a get ready with me, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the Eclipse lipstick and blush 2-in-1. This isn't any of the new shades that dropped for the Eclipse blush and stick 2-in-1, but I'm just gonna lightly use some of this because I do technically have all of the Dreamglow collection in here. Not all of the shades, but I do have I do have one product per type of makeup. And I even do have the Eclipse Cherry Teaser perfume. There we go. Because it did come with the Wicked PH lip gloss oil. So that's what a little face full of R.E.M looks like. Don't mind me, I don't have my brows or my mascara done or anything. Did I just do the blush blindness, my bob? I kind of don't care. Everything does sit very nice on this, what you can consider a base. So I must say I'm feeling very hydrated and clean. All right. Okay, thanks for stopping by and entertaining me and allowing me to entertain you. So if there's any other product you do want to see, do a little digging on the rest of my channel and you'll find it. Thank you so much and have a good one. Bye.